So we had some ice, rain that turned to ice last night and this morning, and right now it is almost 10:30 on January 3rd. And this is what we're getting right now. It's snowing. Isn't that cool?
How pretty.
Yep. So if you have to go anywhere, be careful. I'm staying put. It is cool to watch though. I do like to watch the snow. Can't do anything outside, but oh well. So I just went out and took the garbage out to the can, and the snow is actually the heavy wet stuff. It's gonna be great for making snowballs. I keep thinking this snow's gonna let up, but it's not. I want a squirrel. I mean a rabbit. I think it was anyway. Pretty cool, huh? Can't imagine driving in this stuff, but it's cool. I love seeing this. I love seeing this. Gonna have to go get my shovel and scoop off the patio. So here's a little update for you. It's almost 3:30 in the afternoon. Looks like the snow's pretty much quit. Got a few flurries going on, but as you can tell, the ground is pretty much white right now. So I'm gonna scoop a little path for this driveway here. Let's see what we got here. Probably got an inch and a half or so right there. So it looks pretty cool. I like it. I never thought I'd see myself in the snow belt ever again, but kind of cool to watch. It was fun watching the snow, that's for sure. But I got my gloves, got my actually gloves here. Got my coveralls on that I had at Vanguard, and my coat, and we're gonna scoop some snow. There's a shovel I got for this year's snowstorms. Found it at Menards. It's an all-metal one, so should last a while. We'll see how it does.
Who screamed? You did. I did. Huh?
So that's it for this storm update. Stay tuned for the next one. It's supposed to be in a couple more days, I think, but I'll have to look at the weather. But kind of cool to see, though, isn't it? Why did I leave the south? I do like this house, so I like living here, being close to family. I need to be here. Yep, I do. Snow or no snow. So sure is a pretty picture there, though. So stay tuned for the next one. Later.